Yakate ka kot bala kerteng developing my personal self, berkawai pat bala kerteng ka developing my social self, la pelaj pat ba the Most Reverend Dominic Jala, Archbishop ke Shillong Archdiocese ke Mukongsan, ringkar ke jaran lang kiwe pat ki padar, ki sestar, ki principal jeng ki skul, na lor kiwe de. Habakran ke Mukongsan u Archbishop ulai thoh, ba ke jingnang hiardor ka AKOR ke BUROM hakani ke juk ke BYNTA kelalong syabab palat. Karkum ke jingong jong u, ki samla ki bilang khimenta, kim tip bat kim nang shu wat ban BUROM ki timmen kisan, la kalong haki jaka pajba, ni wat halinti singkin ru.
When we were small, that village elder was not called Rangvashnong, he was called Tummen, because he had to be Tummen, no? So some of us will be qualified for that, but not some of these young people, no? So it was called Tummen. Now, no more Tummen, it is Rangvashnong. And then in the composition of the Darbar, for example, this friends of mine, they were telling me, you know, when we sit in the Darbar, a world is completely different. They say, younger people who are present there, youth for example, who are represented there, they have no concern about the elders, which was an important value in any tribal society. And so, respect for elders, respect for women, egalitarian society, the trustworthiness, and also the mutual trust in each other. Now we have to lock our homes, we have to lock everything, because everything gets lost. It was not so earlier. And so things like that have changed because of something that are what we call values. For example, simple thing that I notice, I walk on this road often, and on the sidewalk, then you have got youngsters who are passing by, sometimes school time or whatever it is. So not only me, I notice also a number of other elderly people who walk there. And then what happens? You think young people are making way for senior people. In the election booth, they say, oh, senior citizens can please line up somewhere. Respect for senior citizens. In the Philippines, right, went for a meeting. We arrived at the airport, immediately those people said, please, senior citizen, come this side. They don't even ask how old you are, but they say, okay. And so there is something, but not on our roads, not on our pathways, not in our society, maybe not in many of our settings. Values, social values are not there. But then what we call also, we talk about integrity, we talk about probity of life in high-sounding words. That means we are people who can be trusted, we can be people who live by certain values. That is comes from what we call personal values. So we got both what Fr Barness is highlighting here.
Nakaliang unong thoh ulay thoh baka kabo yo kalong baki khynnah menta bon kim don kata ka jingskem la kalong ha ka shimet la ne ha ka imlang sahlang ulong ru baling ba ki te ki jing thoh kin yarap shu ki khynnah bakin la kum no ban tep kham bha ya la di.
As we know on value education, and one the first book is on the developing our personal self, growing in our own personal self. And then the second book is emphasizing on this growing on the social values, the social self. Because we know that many times in the schools, our young people, they are not able to grow into mature persons, they are not able to grow into responsible persons, because maybe they lack that awareness to grow in their personal self. A lot of things connected with the growth of personal self. Personality, like self-confidence and growing in your image, self-image, all those things are very important in order to grow as a person. And besides that, we should also grow in our social awareness. I think that is also very, very important. It is not enough to grow as an individual, but we also need to grow in society. We need to be aware of the social problems. We need to be aware of what the others around us, and as Archbishop has pointed out, for example, respect for the elders and respect for the values that we have in our society, and all those things which are really very important in our social life. And civic sense, for example, we lack so much of civic sense in our country. You just look around in Shillong, you see people just throwing water bottles from the car into the street, or children or youth eating chips, potato chips, and throwing the cover into the street. So that is lack of civic sense. So to grow socially means also to grow in civic sense, so that we become responsible citizens. So I hope that these books will really help our youngsters in the schools, especially to grow in as persons, as individuals, also to grow in the social maturity, so that they can become really effective citizens in this country, to bring about the well-being of the whole country, of all our citizens. So I hope that you will value these books, and you'll be able to make use of them in your schools.
Shuajo kanila yo eka jingduai no Father Jervises, barka jingkran pediang sngobha no Father John Soshang.